You're watching Zero the Painter. Please click like and subscribe.
We get a lot of questions about what paint we use in our videos. We use Windsor and Newton Artisan water-mixable oil paint. Water-based oil paints use water as a solvent instead of traditional solvents like turpentine or mineral spirits. This makes them less toxic and easier to clean up. Windsor has a huge line of colors in water-mixable oil paint. These paints dry faster than traditional oil paints. Adding more water enables paint to dry faster, while less water will result in slower drying time. This can allow for quicker layering and adjustments and still retain some of the slow-drying properties of oils, enabling blending and glazing techniques. Water-based oil paints maintain the rich color and texture of traditional oil paints. They offer a similar buttery consistency, allowing for smooth application and blending. Artists can use water-based oil paints on a variety of surfaces, including canvas, wood, and paper. Just like traditional oils, they can be used for both thick impasto techniques and thin washes. Being less reliant on harsh solvents makes water-based oil paints a more environmentally friendly option, reducing harmful emissions and improving air quality during painting. Many artists appreciate the ease of cleanup with water-based oil paints, as they can be cleaned up with soap and water, making them accessible for beginners and easier to use in various settings. If you always wanted to try oil but didn't like the cleanup, this is for you. This paint works very well with acrylics, so you can mix media. So if you're working with acrylics, you can simply add this paint to your palette. You will be impressed by how easily you can make fades and blends happen. So if you're looking to learn oil painting or just want to up your acrylic game, these paints are just what you were looking for. This is a water-based oil paint revolution, and you should be a part of it. Want to learn more? Go to zerothepainter.com. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, you know what to do.